Ain't you tired of being lonely and you feel like this season is a never ending season for you? It doesn't matter how many times you try, you just always go back at being lonely. So, in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about how to stop being lonely. And the first thing that you need to do for you to stop being lonely is to get rid of the mindset of quote unquote, I'm just an introvert. First of all, what is an introvert? An introvert is somebody who doesn't speak. Does that mean you don't speak at all? You do speak. Let's say I talk about something that you are genuinely interested into. My question is you not gonna speak with me? Obviously, you will speak with me, and you will jump up and speak with me, because I speak about something that you have enough information about, you have gained wisdom about, so you know what you're gonna say when you speak with me. So my conclusion is you are not an introvert. You are just a person, you are just a niched down person. You only talk about what you are interested into. Anything else to you don't matter. You don't talk about it because you haven't yet gained enough information about it. You don't know what you're gonna say about it, So you're not an introvert, but you just picky to what to say. You just talk about what you want to talk about, So what I will say to you is this: build a community, trying to build a community around the topic that you are interested into. And you can do that by using social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram. Just pick one niche and talk about it. In that way, you will invite people in your life. You will invite certain people into your life, And also, once you do that, think about places where you can actually meet these people physically. For example, for somebody who's interested in self-improvement, you can meet these people in the gym. You can meet these people in your nearby library. That's where they usually hang out. So go there and talk about what you would like to talk about. Talk about what you are. Talk about the books they have read before. If you meet them at the library, talk about the book that they have read or a book that you have read. Ask them, have you read this book? How is it? Did you enjoy this book? Those are sort of like topics that you can actually start conversation with. Talk about the book that you have read before. You can meet these people at the gym. You can also meet these people at the library, in your nearby library. Because this thing of being lonely has to end in 2025. God didn't create you just to be alone. He created you to connect with other people. And that's the reason why he also created in the first place. He couldn't connect with the nature. He couldn't connect with creation, but he can only connect with human beings. God created us so that we can connect with him. So what makes us think that we don't need connection? What makes us think that we don't need connection? We do need connection, because if you're always being disconnected from human connection, we will feel certain feelings of depression. We will be depressed, we will be anxious, we will feel all these type of feelings, and we genuinely, time to time, we genuinely need connection, so that we can actually be happy, and feel fulfilled. That's the reason why we need connection, to feel fulfilled and feel like we actually helping somebody out there. There's somebody that we know that we can go to if we want help, and first of all, you don't just want to make friends just to make friends because you are lonely. You want to invite positive people in your life who are also going to strive with you, who are also going to want to build with you, and who are also going to motivate you on hard times when you are faced with challenges in your life, who are going to always motivate you and makes you not give up in your self-improvement journey or whatever. So you want those people in your life, um, so yeah, man, we do need connection. Another thing that you can do to stop being lonely is to start creating. Start creating, because that will make you that will invite people in your life. People will be interested into your work, and they will want to work with you. If they find your work valuable, they will want to work with you. You will sort of like create a team that will actually want to work with you. If you don't wait for them to come to you, but just start creating, and in that way you will invite certain people into your life who will want to build with you. So yeah, man, do these things that I'm telling you in this video, and you will stop being lonely in 2025. And if you really like this video and you really enjoyed it and it has helped you, make sure that you do like and subscribe. Without further ado, I'm out.